There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Durango SXT Blacktop in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, body color shark fin antenna, rear window wiper and washer, power 8-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, 3-zone temperature control, selectable steering modes, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6345A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.